My name is Malik. I'm a Lube tech here at Foundation 45 Mitsubishi. My parents are actually from West Africa. Immigrated here, my mom's strove for greatness and she's taken off in her career, in her education. That's why I strive for more. After having my daughter, that sense of urgency was definitely there. I took it upon myself to knuckle down and strap up, just doing everything I can do to provide for my daughter. I've always liked cars, but I never really wanted to work on cars up until I graduated high school. And then that's when I really actually started wanting to work on cars. I started working on my own cars, and then I actually started working for different companies. But here at Foundation, I don't know, I felt the love is really what it was. I felt the love, I felt the caring, I felt home. The reassurance was there. You can tell that they actually care about you and they actually have your back. I do want to become a tech. My main goal is my main priority right now. This job's helped me with my goals in many ways. Getting information and getting the knowledge that I need, providing an income. Overall, Foundation has a lot of room for growth. If you're interested in cars and you love working on cars, you should definitely come check us out at Foundation 45 Mitsubishi. My name is Malik, and I'm part of the team at Foundation Automotive.